Good morning mga kagabay. So andito naman po tayo sa isang araw na kung saan ako po ay patungo ng Bacacay Albay para gumawa ulit ng aking vlog for Bacacay Albay. Good morning mga kagabay, I'm back here at the municipality of Bacacay. Right now, I'm here at the St. Rose de Lima Parish or Bacacay Church.
Bacacay Albay is one of the smallest and coastal municipality in the province of Albay. Located in the eastern slope of the famous Mayon volcano. It's composed of island and mainland barangay with a total of 56 barangay and more than 70,000 total population.
St. Rose de Lima Parish or Bacacay Church bring a significant role in the municipality of Bacacay Albay because this church is the center of the Catholic faith in the municipality of Bacacay.
The town of Baao, Camarines Sur produced the first Filipino bishop, while Bacacay Albay has the most number of Catholic priests.
Bacacay Albay or the Bacacay Church is become significant not only in the province of Albay but the entire Bicol region because this is the town where there's the most number of living priests.
2017, when Monsignor Crispin Bernarte is the parish priest of St. Rose of Lima Parish, organized a homecoming called Centuplex. A Latin word means 100-fold, where the clergy came from different parishes in Bicol and other part of the country, as well as from their mission work overseas to celebrate the 100-fold. We come together to praise and be thankful to God's gift of 100-fold of priestly vocation. On 2017, Bacacay Albay joyfully celebrate because the town has the most number of living priests. Let's make one of the unique significant information of Bacacay Albay. Thank you for watching. I'm your virtual tour guide, Froilan Oragon or Bicol Tour Guide. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Bicol Tour Guide.